All right, guys, what's going on? It is time for our week 20 update. That is exactly 20 weeks since these seeds first started germinating when we first put them in soil. Want to show off the growth here as we do every week. They're really getting tall, guys. These posts are almost, the plants are almost the same height as these posts. If I recall, these are 7-foot posts and probably about a foot in the ground, so they're about 6 feet tall right here. And this plant's got to be 5.5 feet tall then. Just eyeballing, but yeah, a lot of height growth on some of these. Now some of these others seem to be bushing out more than up, but that's okay. I will also say we are loaded, I mean loaded, with peppers everywhere. This one is a good example. Just every branch, peppers, peppers, and peppers everywhere. So I have been picking peppers, but we also have so many that are not quite ready. But man, like if I look at these plants, it's just nothing but loaded peppers on every branch here. Literally, that's what I'm looking at. And it just goes like that from plant to plant, basically full of peppers. And it's like that the whole way throughout all these plants, especially these primatales. Dragon's breath are coming in a little bit slower. And then I would say at the back, the fried chicken actually are the least fruitful so far. I'm assuming they're going to just bloom a little bit later. They are looking good. Here's the dragon's breath. They are loading up. But if we look at the back row, which is fried chicken, I only really have one fried chicken pepper out of the whole row. So the back row is going slow, but the rest of it is really producing lots of peppers. So I'm going to see if that's a trend. I feel like that happened last year on this back row. I don't know if it's due to the difference in sunlight or something else. But this is it for our week 20 update.